So good morning and welcome back to Medellin. As you can probably see, I'm in San Javier, which is also known as Comuna 13 or Comuna 13. And today I'm going to be on the zippy walking tour here through all the graffiti and all of the stuff in this barrio. So it should be an interesting day. It's already pretty hot. It's about 10 a.m. and the sun is beating down. So I have an umbrella just in case it rains as well because the weather here is tricky. So our guide stopped in the shade for a little bit to tell us a little bit about Comuna 13, and after Pablo Escobar died in the 90s, it became kind of a war zone of Medellin, one of the most dangerous places where about 450 people a year would die of murder and different things like that between the paramilitary groups and the guerrillas. And they've obviously cleaned it up since then, and she really loves her neighborhood. So we're gonna go check that out, see the escalators that can take you into the comuna and take you down to the city. So we've just arrived in Independencia number 1, which is the neighborhood or the part of the barrio. There's 23 neighborhoods in this barrio, but this is the one where our tour guide lives, Laura. As I told you before, they did put in escalators to help the locals get down to work and stuff like that. So we're stopping for about 15 minutes here next to tram number 6 with a good viewpoint, and we're going to watch some break dancing, I think. Well, just a little bit ago, our guide, Laura, took us to her actual apartment complex, and we sat kind of in the entryway, and she told stories about how Comuna 13 has changed and what it was like when the guerrillas and some other people were running the place after Pablo Escobar died.
Bueno, happy faces.
Okay, guys, everyone say, todo bien, parcero. Okay? Todo bien, parcero. 1, 2, 3.
Todo bien, parcero.
My house is open for you when you're coming again, but it's very important you call me, okay?
I'd like to personally thank Laura here for showing us her beautiful community. And if you're ever in Medellin and want to do the Comuna 13 tour, do it with her.
Coming to Comuna 13 with CP Tour. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you think I deserve it, please like and subscribe below and check out some more videos on my channel to get backpacking tips and tricks from around the world.